Welcome to Mariner's Point. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about a specific gravity. This question is asked previous year in the Synergy exam. So let us know about first what is a specific gravity, relative density or density. And we will also discuss about density and effect on its temperature. We will deal this question later. First know about specific gravity. What is a specific gravity? A specific gravity is the ratio of density of an object to the density of water at particular temperature. A specific gravity density of uh, object. A specific gravity of an object is equal to density of an object divided by density of water at particular temperature. Always remember, temperature should be same of both. A specific gravity calculated at particular temperature. Okay. So we know that density of an object divided by density of water at particular temperature. Okay. Next, what is relative density? Okay. Relative density here in a specific gravity we will compare with water. Here we will compare with other object. That means density of an object divided by density of another object at particular temperature. Okay. From where we are comparing, that's density will come here. Okay, if density of this object become density of water, then it will become a specific gravity. Okay, as we know what is a specific gravity, we also know about what is density. Density is simple, mass by volume. Okay, its unit is kg per meter cube. CGS unit is gram per centimeter cube. Okay, now we will come to this question. A specific gravity of an object at 15 degrees Celsius is given. What is the density at the same temperature? What is the density of an object at the same temperature? As we know that a specific gravity is equal to density of an object divided by density of water at particular temperature. Particular temperature here is 15 degrees Celsius. So we will go through the formula. Okay, a specific gravity 0.9960 BL. Okay, density of an object and divided by density of water, then you will get your answer 0.9960 and this, then you will go answer density of an object 96 kg per meter cube. But we know what is the density of water. Here we should know density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius, which is 1000 kg per meter cube or gram per centimeter cube. But we have to know density of water at 15 degrees Celsius. We do not know, so we take approximate density of water at same at 4 degrees Celsius, which is 1000 kg per meter cube. So we will get answer density of an object this. We will know if temperature of an object increase, then density of an object will decrease. You should know about this. If temperature will increase of any object, then density will decrease. It is reciprocal of temperature. Okay, what is the unit of a specific gravity or relative density? Then we will say it is unitless quantity. Okay, why? Because we are dividing density of two objects. Okay, kg per meter cube, kg per meter cube, then it will cut. Okay, what will be the value of a specific gravity? Then it will be less than 1, greater than 1, or equal to 1. If we put any object in water and we know a specific gravity, then what it means? If a specific gravity of any object less than 1 and we will put this object in the water, then it will partially float, not fully float, partially float. Okay, if a specific gravity is 1, then wherever you will put the object it will float. Okay, inside the water it will float, and if a specific gravity is greater than 1, then it will sink and go to the bottom. Okay, and this is all about specific gravity. It is unitless quantity. If and also remember, as the temperature of object increase, density of object will decrease. Density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, thank you.